one of those looks where you guys are gonna have to trust the process. We're just gonna start off with our matte face primer. I honestly hope everyone's having a good day. I'm not having a good day, and I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm not really having a great time. I've just been so angry lately, and I don't know if it's because my period's coming. It's just really been killing everybody. Like, I just want everybody dead. I've been going off on everybody. Like, nobody's safe around me right now. I'm surprised I even want to do a YouTube video because I tried making one last week and it turned out so horribly that I literally had a fit. It was just like everything was going wrong, and it was at the time when I needed everything to go right, and it just wasn't going right, and my body dysmorphia was literally whipping my ass. So I was like really pissed about that, and I got really angry. It's really rare for me to even be mentally sane in the fall. Like, usually whenever people think about fall, they think about, you know, hibernation and just like relaxation and holidays and like family time or whatever. But like for me, I feel like fall means survival. Like, that's just what it means to me. It doesn't mean like fun and cheer. I used to like fall. I don't know what happened. This is not a good fall for me right now. I'm not saying it's gonna stay like that, but the way everything started off a little bit confusing. My emotions are probably purely hormonal, so I'm trying not to take everything super personally, but I am human, and you know, I will admit when I'm fed up. Like, I get fed up. I be getting fed up, guys. Like, I just get so fed up. I had to make a doctor's appointment a while ago. Basically, my primary care provider, I had to pick a new one. You know, stupid adult stuff. I contacted them, which was already a huge feat in itself, because the minute I have to make appointments, the minute I have to reach out to call people, my brain sees it as this monumental task. Going out of my way to do that for myself was like a huge step for me. They were supposed to fix what I was like going to them for. They didn't end up fixing what I went to them for. But in the last video that I was gonna originally make for you guys, this was the hair I was trying to do, and everything was coming out so bad, and it just stressed me out. It stressed me out. I just had to rip that wig right off. Like, this wig right here, that's on my head right here. The day that I was trying to do it and I was trying to make a video, everything was going left. The lace was ripping. Everything was just super duper bad. So I just ended up giving up and tossing the wig in a corner. Like, literally, I threw the wig. Like, I was so pissed off. I ripped it right off my scalp. Some of my edges flew off with it. And it's just like, it just feels like a time where everything's going wrong. You know, you ever have a time where like everything's wrong? I don't give a fuck about retrograde. Like, leave me the fuck alone. I just want to be left alone. I don't care about the stars. I don't care about life and like, just leave me alone. I'm literally just trying to wake up the next day. Literally, as I speak, I'm getting irritated all over again because it's like, this is so unnecessary. So we're back. This is part 2 of what we were trying to do the first time, and we're a little bit more calm and things are going a little bit better compared to how they went in the very beginning. I don't even have a reference picture, and I feel like I should, because once again, if it comes out bad, I'm shutting everything down. Like, I'm not playing. I want it to at least make a little bit of sense so you guys can at least see the vision. It doesn't have to come out, you know, super perfect, but it has to come out and make a little bit of sense. That's all I'm asking for. And last time, it just wasn't making sense. The only difference, to be honest, in this routine is that I'm just gonna be putting a different colored eyeshadow. I don't wear eyeshadow like that. So whenever I'm wearing eyeshadow, to me, that is the glam. I'm just so like impatient. I don't want to do all that. Like, I don't know. I've been avoiding social media, not like completely. I still post, but I'm not really on there anymore like I used to be. I like to laugh. I'm somebody who likes to laugh, loves to laugh. Like, to me, a joke is more important than anything else. When everything is a little bit too serious, I'm like gone. Like, I'm like out. Like, I don't stay around. I don't stay tuned. I get the fuck on immediately, because if it's not funny, why am I here? And I'm not saying that everything has to be a joke, but I feel like my life is already way too serious for me to like sit here and I have to be serious every single day. It's just like social media just hasn't been funny. Like, everybody's just been the same. It's obvious I'm on social media, and it's obvious I'm not escaping for real. I'm just going from one echo chamber into the next. Y'all do not have to worry about me. I'm hopping right off this.
I'm off this.
I got some new brushes from Amazon. I'm not sure how I feel about them. I don't know if it's because they're new for now. I don't really care about them. They're not, they don't stand out. Like, these are like your boring plain old brushes. I'm not even sure why I got them. And if I go this long without doing anything with them, I'm gonna return them. That's what's gonna end up happening. My For You page, I had to like reset that thing like 10 times already on TikTok because I like to laugh. I don't want to go from one bad reality into the next. Y'all can do that, but I'm not doing that. And I am not ashamed to be selfish with my mental health. Wait, hold on, y'all. I'm finna blend this nose real quick. What I was really trying to say in the first video, I was just trying to tell black women, since that is who my page is mainly geared towards, we need to be more selfish. Like, I feel like we're always trying to save the world. We're always trying to save everybody. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm done fighting. Like, I'm not fighting anymore. I was never a fighter to begin with. One thing about me, I give up really easily. I shut down. Like, I back away. I'm a runner. I'm a hider. I'm everything. Like, I'm not afraid to admit it because I can't handle too much. I can't handle too much bad news. I can't handle too much inconveniences. I can't handle anything. Like, after a while, I really start to freak out. I get antsy. Everybody just has to die. That's why I have to avoid most things. So I usually just stick to watching my shows and fan fiction. My shows that I watch, they gotta be diverse. Speaking of shows, let's dive into Arcane a little bit. So here's my background with League of Legends. I don't know anything about it. Like, I don't know anything about the lore. Last year, I finished season 1, and it was really good to me. And I really got attached to a few characters. One of them being, oh shit. Fuck. My concealer's drying, and that's not a good sign. What was I saying? I started watching Arcane last year, and I really liked it. I feel like I prefer season 1 over season 2. I'm gonna be the first to say it. I haven't really been paying attention to any discourse on Arcane, so I don't know how anybody else feels about it, and I don't care to know how anybody else feels about it. I'm just gonna say how I feel. And the way I feel, everything feels rushed. And me and my best friend, we were talking about this. We were saying, like, this is not what life is supposed to be about. Like, we're not supposed to be finding out a whole bunch of lore in 9 episodes. Like, where did y'all get that from? And it's like, we went in that direction and then we never went back as a society. And everything's just been downhill literally ever since. I'm not super impressed with season 2. I like the animation. Animation's beautiful. I feel like it might have even improved. I don't know how big the Arcane team is, so I don't know what their budget is, and I really don't know what they be doing. I don't stay in tune with them. Where's Echo? Once again, that's what I was asking most of season 1, and here I go asking most of season 2. I feel like if your favorite character is Mel or Echo, you're not really gonna be fed as much as everybody else. I feel like if your favorite character is Jinx, you're gonna be fed. It's just super obvious that she's a favorite. Like, she's not going anywhere. She should have been arrested. Like, she keeps dodging all these attacks. They should have been got her. Caitlyn should have been shot her. Why? Okay, no. I actually don't think I want to talk about Arcane because I'm getting upset. But let me just say this. Let me be clear. Not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. I don't really care about what's going on with Arcane. I'm gonna finish season 2 like everybody else, and I'm gonna move on with my actual life. I've never really been good at applying eyeshadow. It's supposed to be this color right here. We're just gonna apply it, you know? I'm getting back into the routine of being consistent with social media again. The worst part is that this is what I want to do. I love social media. The fact that I'm just so lazy, it's a habit that I'm trying to break, and it's a habit that I feel like I will end up breaking eventually. I just gotta keep trying my best, and then everything's just gonna come together, I hope. So far, guys, this is really pigmented and it looks amazing. I got this from Amazon for like $5, and I was gonna buy a white one. There was like 2 I saw, but I was like, let me just get this green one. It's really pigmented. It's way more pigmented than I expected. I did not expect this much pigment for a $5 eyeshadow. I'm gonna skip the blush and I'm gonna go to the bronzer. This is the new highlighter that I use. This is by Revolution, Just My Type. I think that's the name of it. I like it so far. I think it's really pigmented. I actually don't know what to do. Let me see. I had to lock in a little bit. That's why I had to get mad silent, because when it comes to my nose, that's usually like where I kind of mess up. I don't usually wear highlighter on my cheekbones, but just this once, I'm gonna put like a little bit. This look is like very, I don't know, guys. I'm like, trust the process. Trust it. Remember, I was telling y'all I got like 5 mascaras. I do have like these little sticky things, and I'm just gonna put like a few on. Like, I'm just gonna sprinkle some on. Guys, I don't know how I feel about the pearls. Now we're gonna put some mascara. We got some powder right here. I'm really glad that I could sit here and just like record and talk to you guys today, because it really has been a rough few days. Like, I was not joking. All right, so I'm just grabbing like a random pair. I'm gonna blend this out. And then I'm gonna let it sit for too long, because whenever I let it sit for too long, it's just so hard to blend out for some reason. Okay, we learned our lesson. The thing is, I'm just not sure if me putting on the pearls was cute. Like, should I take it off? Like, is it not cute? When I first did it, I thought it was cute, but like now I don't know if it's cute, like if I should leave it on. So I have the blush palette. Let's just hope I don't look idiotic. So this is what it's like turning into. I'm not sure how to feel about it. I kind of wanted the blush to be a little bit more pigmented. I think it's actually making me ashy. This is it. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna like I know I look crazy right now, y'all. Just
trust me.
Everything I do usually looks crazy, but like towards the end, it usually comes together. Usually. I'm just ready to put my lip combo. Y'all usually see the vision when the lip combo's on. Guys, I don't know if I like the... Look, I'm not rocking with it. I keep saying like, okay, let me just leave it on a little bit longer. Let me leave it on a little bit longer. But like, I'm not falling in love with it. I'm gonna take it off. I don't like the pearls, sorry. Should I? Am I missing something? What's missing? Something on my face is like missing and I just can't put a finger on it. I could not tell you what's missing. We got the lashes on for this one, and I'm gonna put the other lash. And I kind of need the other lash to follow suit, because whenever I do one lash good, another lash is like trying to play games. Every single time. Every single time. I just want to be able to pop them both on. I took off the pearls, guys. I'm sorry. I was not feeling the pearls, but I'm surprised the hair actually ended up coming together. I don't know. I can't tell y'all if I like completely ruined the look. I'm past the point of caring. I'm just ready to wrap this up. It looks so much better compared to how it looked the first time I tried to do this. Because this wig was like one more mistake from being sent right back to its owner. I was so close. I was like, you know what? I'm not the problem, the wig is, so it will be dealt with. Like, I was ready to punish it, but I gave her a chance to redeem herself, and she did. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like a reddish lip combo or if I'm gonna do a pinkish lip combo, but I think I'm gonna do a little bit of pink. I kind of want to do the lip combo for like a TikTok video, so I'm gonna like do it and then I'm gonna like show y'all the clip on the screen. I don't have two devices or anything, so if I want to make a separate video, I have to like sacrifice. I know y'all didn't trust the process. Y'all didn't trust it, but that's okay.
This is what life is about.
This is it. This is what I was trying to do in the first video, and everything was just going ham. Even my bottom lashes aren't that bad. This wasn't the intentional look I was really trying to go for, but it came out better than I expected. Notice how the lip combo just brought it all together. Every time I start looking chopped cheese, I just need a lip combo. Like, now I can finally breathe. I've been trying to perfect this look for days, and now it finally came together. My bangs are nice. Everything's really cute. Even the makeup a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. So if you watched this far, I really appreciate it. I know it was like a whole bunch of trial and error going on, and it was a little confusing in most clips, but if you stayed, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to watch my other videos if you're interested in fashion and makeup content. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch y'all next time. Do you hear me?